In this lesson, we will learn how to insert a flash button in Dreamweaver. In our web page, we have already inserted one navigation bar using different buttons designed in Photoshop. We can insert flash buttons which are more interactive than the Photoshop buttons. To insert a flash button, first, place the mouse cursor in the cell in which we wanted to insert a flash button. After that, go to the Common tab panel and go to Flash and click on Flash button. Here we have an Insert Flash Button wizard. In this wizard, we have so many pre-designed styles available. Select the style and look at the preview in the above window. We can place the mouse cursor over the button to see how interactive it is. We can preview the effects of the button here. In this way, we can choose the suitable design to our web page. After we select the design, we can add text to this button. Go to this button text column and type the text that you would like to add to the button. Here I am typing products. Below that, there is a list menu to set the font. We can choose the font and we can also set the size of the font. Here we can set the link for the flash button. Anyway, we learn about the links in the coming lessons. After setting this flash button, click on OK to insert into the web page. Here is our flash button. Now let us see how it displays in the web browser. Click on Preview in web browser. Save the page. Now it appears this way in the web page. In this way, we can add some interactive flash buttons to web pages in Dreamweaver.